Have you ever listened to Americans speak and thought, how do they sound so natural? They use simple, everyday sentences that flow easily, phrases they say without even thinking. In this lesson, I'll teach you 50 daily English sentences that Americans use every single day. We'll practice together using the shadowing method. That means you'll listen, then repeat exactly what I say. By the end of this video, you'll sound smoother, more confident, and more natural when speaking English. Are you ready? Let's begin. I wake up early every morning. I wake up early every morning. I brush my teeth after I get out of bed. I brush my teeth after I get out of bed. I make myself a cup of coffee. I make myself a cup of coffee. I check my phone for messages. I check my phone for messages. I take a quick shower before work. I take a quick shower before work. I get dressed and head out the door. I get dressed and head out the door. I listen to music on my way to work. I listen to music on my way to work. I grab breakfast at my favorite cafe. I grab breakfast at my favorite cafe. I say good morning to my coworkers. I say good morning to my coworkers. I start my day by checking my emails. I start my day by checking my emails. I make a to-do list for the day. I make a to-do list for the day. I join a quick meeting with my team. I join a quick meeting with my team. I work on my main project for a few hours. I work on my main project for a few hours. I take a short break to stretch. I take a short break to stretch. I grab lunch with a friend. I grab lunch with a friend. I try to eat something healthy. I try to eat something healthy. I check my phone while waiting for my food. I check my phone while waiting for my food. I go back to work after lunch. I go back to work after lunch. I answer a few more emails. I answer a few more emails. I finish my tasks before leaving. I finish my tasks before leaving. I head home around 6 o'clock. I head home around 6 o'clock. I stop by the grocery store on my way home. I stop by the grocery store on my way home. I pick up some fresh vegetables and fruit. I pick up some fresh vegetables and fruit. I cook dinner for myself or my family. I cook dinner for myself or my family. I watch my favorite show while eating. I watch my favorite show while eating. I clean up the kitchen after dinner. I clean up the kitchen after dinner. I go for a short walk around my neighborhood. I go for a short walk around my neighborhood. I listen to a podcast while walking. I listen to a podcast while walking. I take a shower before going to bed. I take a shower before going to bed. I check social media for a few minutes. I check social media for a few minutes. I talk to my family before sleeping. I talk to my family before sleeping. I turn off the lights and lie down. I turn off the lights and lie down. I think about what I need to do tomorrow. I think about what I need to do tomorrow. I set my alarm for the next morning. I set my alarm for the next morning. I say goodnight to everyone. I say goodnight to everyone. I close my eyes and try to relax. I close my eyes and try to relax. I fall asleep quickly most nights. I fall asleep quickly most nights. I wake up again and start all over. I wake up again and start all over. I like starting my day with gratitude. I like starting my day with gratitude. I remind myself to stay positive. I remind myself to stay positive. I say, I can handle anything today. I say, I can handle anything today. I drink a big glass of water. I drink a big glass of water. I check the weather before I leave. I check the weather before I leave. I call my friend to catch up. I call my friend to catch up. I pay my bills online. I pay my bills online. I plan my weekend activities. I plan my weekend activities. I read a few pages of a good book. I read a few pages of a good book. I go to bed feeling thankful. I go to bed feeling thankful. Amazing job. You just practiced 50 real sentences Americans use every single day, and you repeated them twice for fluency. If you keep shadowing along with me, these phrases will start to sound natural, automatic, and effortless. Remember, fluency isn't about speaking fast. It's about speaking confidently and clearly. If you enjoyed this lesson, like this video, share it with a friend and subscribe for more natural English practice. Keep learning, keep repeating, and keep believing in yourself. This is English by the Day, and I'll see you in the next lesson.